Good morning class. As you know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 3.2 up to question number 3rd. Today we will do the remaining question. So the question number 4th is find the smallest number by which the following number should be multiplied to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square thus obtained. Okay, in this question beta, firstly we have to find a smallest number by which we have to multiply the given numbers in such a way that they will become perfect square. Okay, and then after making them perfect square, what we have to do, we have to find their square root. Okay, so look at the question number 4th A part. A part is 4, 3, 2. To solve the question, firstly we have to factorize 432. Okay, so this will become 2, 1, 6, and this will become 108, and this will become 5, 4, and again 5, 4, this will become 2, 7, and this will become 9, this will become 3, and this will become 1. Okay, now 4, 3, 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and then multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now what we have to do? We have to make the pairs 1, 2 and 3. As we know that a perfect square has all its prime factor in the pair. Okay, so here we have left with 1, 3. Okay, to make this pair we have to multiply by 3 on the both side. Then this 432 will become a perfect square. Okay, so if we multiply 432 by 3, then we have 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and then multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and then multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now this will become such a number whose all prime factors are in pair, whose all prime factors are in pair. So this is a perfect square. Okay, so from here what we can say? We can say to make 432 a perfect square, required number is 3. Okay, so when you multiply 432 by 3, you will get a number which is 1296, and this is a perfect square. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the square root of this number. As you know, this is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and again multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Okay, so to find the square root, what we have to do? We have to put this in the radical sign, and this is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, and the result is equal to 4 9 ja 36. So the value of square root is equal to 36. So this is the solution of your A part of question number 4th. Okay, I hope you will get it. The remaining part of this question are same as like the A part. Beta, try to do them by yourself. What you have to do? Firstly, you have to factorize the given number, and then you have to check how many of prime factor of the given number has no pair. Okay, then you have to pair them by multiplying both sides with a suitable number, and then you will get a number which will become a perfect square, and after that you have to find the square root of the given number by prime factorization method. Okay, So this is the solution of your question number 4th A part. Now the question number 5th. In the question number 5th, find the smallest number by which the following number should be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square thus obtained. In the previous question we have to multiply with a number, and in this question we have to divide with a particular number to make the given number a perfect square. You have to do this question in the same manner. Firstly you have to find the prime factors of the given number, and then you have to check which number is not paired. Okay, and if you find a number which is not paired, that is your required answer. It means you have to divide the given number by the number which has no prime factor as a pair. Okay, so look at the solution of 5th question A part. So A part is 5, 1, 2 beta. Prime factorize this. This will become 2, 5, 6, and again this will become 1, 2, 8. Again this will become 6, 4, and 6, 4 will become 32, and then it will become 16. It will become 8, and 8 will become again 2 to 4, 4 to 2, and 2 to 1. This is the prime factorization of 5, 1, 2. Clear? Now how can we represent 5, 1, 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now make the pairs 1, 2, 3, 4 and again by 2, because prime factorization of 5, 1, 2 is equal to multiplication of 2 by 9 times. Okay. Now what we have? We have left with 1, 2 which has no pair. So if we divide both sides by this 2, what will we have? We have 5, 1, 2 divided by 2 will become equal to 2 multiplied by 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 2. Okay. So the required number by which we have to divide the given number is 2, and then what we have to do? Then we have to find the square root of a such number obtained. When you divide 5, 1, 2 by 2, you will get 2, 5, 6, and this is equal to this. How many pair are there? 4 pair, and under root of 2, 5, 6 is equal to multiplication of single number from each pair 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to multiply 2 4 times to get the under root of the given number, and this is equal to 16. So the required answer are 16 and 2. 2 is the number by which we have to divide, and the square root of such number obtained by dividing 2 is 256, and square root is 16. Square root is 16. So this is the answer of your question number 5th A part. I hope you will get it. This is the way by which you have to solve the remaining part of question number 5th. Try to do the remaining part by yourself beta, and if you have any problem in these questions, we will take that problem in the live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.